Hello everyone, it's Linda. Welcome back to another video here on my channel. If you're following me on Instagram, you probably know that I am a little bit of a crazy plant lady nowadays. So today we are gonna do an eyeliner inspired by one of my coolest plants. I did a look yesterday with only black eyeliner with these kind of shapes, but now I really want to incorporate all the colors as well in the eyeliner. For you guys who are asking me about what I get my inspiration from, plants are like an amazing thing because you can see all these weird shapes, all the colors and everything from the nature is really a good source of inspiration when you want to do makeup. So let's get into this makeup, shall we? I'm going to start with black just to outline the entire thing, and I'm using Suva Beauty Hydra Liner in the color Grease. This is a really great black. I think I will always and forever be a cake eyeliner girl. I'm starting by doing a regular eyeliner first. And the brush I'm using for this is LH Cosmetics liner brush, and this one is really good for any kind of eyeliners, and it's crooked like this to get a good angle when you are doing detailed work. This is not gonna look the same on both eyes, but I don't care about that, to be honest. I just want a really cool eyeliner that looks like my little coleus plant. Let's create some wobbly shapes. It's funny how this goes faster than doing a regular eyeliner. Let's go to the green, and the green is kind of outlining all the things here. This one is also from Suva Beauty and it's called Fanny Pack. These two colors could be really cool for like purple and the more reddish tones, and this is Bakwas and Bad Mash. And these are metallic, both of them, so it's gonna be another finish here. I think it's gonna be cool though. This was a little bit darker than I thought. My eyes, they feel like a more cartoon version of my coleus. I'm not very good at doing realistic things. I'm good at doing like abstract things or with my own touch. I'm gonna add some like volume to some of the black details just to make it more interesting. I wonder if I'm gonna do some dots. I like dots. I'm gonna add some mascara. I'm not gonna curl my lashes because I'm going to apply some false lashes on top. The lashes I'm gonna use, I think that these are Iconic Light by House of Lashes. I'm not sure. I'm not 100%. Oh shit, I got lash glue on my... No shit, on my favorite pants. I will be right back. So do you guys have any tips on what to do when you get lash glue on your clothes? Because I don't have any great tips for that. I have ruined so many clothes, and I just ruined my favorite black jeans. I always like to put some mascara onto my lashes because I like when they are more like spidery. I really want to add some more pink using LH Cosmetics color palette, and I'm gonna go in with pink. I'm gonna go for some red as well. I mean, I would love this one to be this colorful. Let's add some sparkles. As my highlighter and my blush, I'm gonna use LH Cosmetics Fantastic Lipstick in Goldstone. This is such a great color for both lips and cheeks, but I love using it as my cream blush. This gives a really nice and glowy and natural finish. For my lips, I am using LH Cosmetics Velvet Couture in Nougat as my lip liner. And then in the middle, I'm using Natasha Denona Lip Euphoria in, what's the name of this again? Mauve. And I think we are done. I am just gonna fix my hair and put on something that suits the makeup, and then I will be back. Are we cute? This is the finished look. This is my Coleus plant inspired look. I hope you like it, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next time, and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys.